Today I'm sharing an auto character generator. No more hunting for character cards everywhere. Just tell it the kind of character you like. It writes everything for you. These two here were made with it. The chat results turned out great. By the way, if you don't know where to download TAVO, check the official site or message me. Now let's see how this script works. You can use it with DeepSeek or GPT. Here's my process in DeepSeek. Just follow the prompts and type your ideas. Open a new chat, then attach the auto character script. Type start making a character card. The model will start asking questions. If it's a remake, give your existing info. If it's original, describe what you want. Add how the character relates to you, user. The model will ask for details like world, traits, and story. Just follow along and reply step by step. If it writes in English, remind it to switch to Chinese. And if you want it in English, just write your input in English. And finally, save it as SillyTavern character card bit to JSON file. That's roughly the command you'll use. If you think it's too long to type, I can share it with you. Once it's done, the model will summarize everything and output the final character card file. The file is in .json format. Just download and use it directly. After downloading, import it into TAVO. Choose Import from File and select your downloaded file. This one here was auto-generated just now. This one was made in DeepSeek earlier, and this one was made with GPT. Select the newly generated card. Click Import, and you're ready to go. Then click Edit on the right. To check the character details, all the setup info is filled perfectly, but the avatar and background are still missing. Click the avatar, choose a suitable image, and save. Now the character is complete. Let's start chatting to see how it performs. You'll get several greetings to choose from. Pick one and start chatting. The responses are detailed, with action descriptions, narration, and dialogue. This auto character generator script works really well. Just tell it what kind of character you want, and it creates it for you automatically. Also, join the official Discord. Many experts there share resources and help with questions. That's all for today's video. Follow me for more resources and tutorials. See you next time.